Okay, here's another one saying find the equation of the tangent to the curve, blah, blah, blah. So now we are on the third thing. First, we saw those two questions that were asking us about the power rule. And then here we saw the two questions that were asking us about the chain rule. And we saw the shortcut, right? Now we're doing this one. Here it is asking us about the equation to the tangent. So we can be asked about the equation of the tangent, sorry, or the equation of the normal line, one of the two, okay? Now what we know is that the tangent line, if you have a curve like this, okay, if you have your nice curve going down, tangent is just a line which just touches your curve on one position. So I'm actually not drawing it properly here. Just touches your curve on one position. Okay, it's a straight line. It's a line. So we know it's a line. Okay, and it just touches your curve on this. So since it's a line, we want the equation of this line. Okay, it's a line, and the normal line is the one that then comes at 90 degrees to your tangent. So it comes, your tangent is like this, then the normal is going to be this one. Okay, normal is the one that comes 90 degrees to the tangent. Both of them are lines. So if they want the equation, we know that we used to say, equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. And then we would find the m and the c. But now we no longer use this one because it gives us too much work. We don't want to waste time trying to look for c. There's a shortcut, another equation of a line which we now use, which says y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Okay, this is the new one. Why is this better? Because for this one, we can find the equation of the line if we know only two things. One is m, which is going to be the gradient. Okay, m is the gradient. And then y1 and x1, we need to remove them so that we remain with just y and x. y1 and x1, these two come from the one point which they will give you. The point where the tangent, okay, this is the tangent, sorry. The point where the tangent meets the curve, okay? Here, at this point right here, where your tangent meets the curve. So you'll get that point. That's going to be your x1, y1. They'll tell you the point. That's your point. That's your x1, y1. So you just go and put it for you know point is in x, y, right? It is in this form, x then y. So the x will be your x1, the y will be your y1. And then you can be able to put it in here and then get your solution. M, how do you find m? M is the gradient. You find it by differentiation. That is why this topic is in differentiation. You are going to need to find m, and m, you find it by differentiation. M is the gradient, okay? At that position, we will need his value. So I'm going to go ahead and do this working in the next video because I've introduced something to you. We can be able to find the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. Let's go ahead and let's do it.